round? Which way are they coming, Cameron?
They're all coming right. Back up to the wooden barrier just above you.
Say again?
Place is good, but it's not covered by the church. Try and move up to the wooden barrier just ahead of you.
Alright. Cameron, if you go where I was for the flag, and I'll cover the other one. What was that?
There's a guy straight up. David, turn around and look at my gun.
Matt, hold your fire till we're in range. No point advertising where you are.
If you want, but if I'll give Ollie a radio so he knows what we're on about. We could use him as a decoy. What was that? Cameron, do you want to move to where I was for the flag?
Did you go there?
Yeah, can you?
I'll move down in a second.
Alright.
So many people, but they're all too far away.
Okay, save your BBs then. Don't shoot at them.
I think they're going left now. They're all coming from the left.
Moving to the left.
I think they're all coming from the left. People have just come down from there.
David? Jack. What? Camera.
Oh wait, I thought you broke it or something.
No.
You don't get distracted by the left and watch the right.
Jack!
Just in case.
If you want to get in there, just stay behind a barricade and hunt.
Where's the church over at the start?
What was that?
They're all coming around the left. You can see them all coming around. They're coming through that little gully in the hill.
Who's got the third radio, Jack or Ollie?
I have. David, look, they're all coming through the gully on the left. All these people are getting hit. They're going to come straight to you right now. Oh, any minute.
Got that.
Hi. We'll try and cover you from up here. Right, that way.
There's a push up so it works.
Alright.
There's a guy on top of the ridge where the marshal was. He's seen.
Can't shoot, marshal's in the way.
All coming up to the ridge above the marshal now, they're all over the back of it.
Ollie's there, it's fine. Just spraying.
Yeah, it is going down the side, because when I was loading, when I was on 75, fuck me, I got a mouthful of it. Guy with t-shirt and hat coming over the ridge where the marshal is. Oh, is anyone near Ollie? Ollie just got hit.
Can't shoot, marshal's in the way.
Stand down here, David. Oh, no, shot. Over there.
David, there's a guy coming to the ridge. Well, there's 3 people coming down now, just behind him, there's someone coming up.
Yeah, they've literally just come over the hill.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I see.
Wait, if they come down there, they're dead. Alright.
Can they come over that hill?
Oh, the t-shirt is still there, he's aiming straight at someone.
Oh, I see one. I need a location.
Straight over the bridge where the marshal was, he's moving forward now.
We need to go forward though. Yeah, exactly. Is he in the dip?
Over the ridge, over the other side of it, he's just coming up.
What a good idea. That's banging.
They go behind that black thing, see that? Go over it.
Go back.
He's aiming straight for me. He's firing at me.
Is he next to the netting?
Yeah, David, where are you?
Far left flag.
Right.
Quick, we're dotty, you're coming straight out that window. Straight through there. Hit! Drop down.
What do you want us to do? You getting pinned down or something?
Straight for you right now, man.
David. Where are you?
David, watch your head. You got hit? No. Hold me, he's coming, he's going to come around any second now. I can't fucking see him. Yeah, he's firing us. Where from? Literally like directly in front of us, to the right of the steps.
Listen. David, you won't see me to go. You have to pop up for a second. You see him?
No.
Oh mate, he's literally right there. David, go underneath, go back into the cover. And come up behind the tree that you underneath the branch that you were just at.
I see him.
You see him?
I see him.
He's killed me 3 times, man.
Oh no, wait, that's Marshall.
No, it's that guy there. You see him? You see him, David?
Yep.
You get him?
That's it.
Yeah, I got him.
Is that it, Marshall?
Still behind the net.
Oh, I left my radio.
What?
Tell Cameron to get my radio.
Cameron?
Just say when you die, get David's radio.
When you die, get David's radio.
Should be hanging up right in front of him.